Good morning, good afternoon, good day, I guess. Welcome back to another coding every day until I get a job. I was so frustrated that yesterday it didn't work, and that I was so angry the whole day that I started to tweak out a little bit and just went insane because I couldn't configure D1. So I thought to myself, just use let's just use let's just use Postgres because I don't know why. I read all the docs. I tried GPT. I tried Claude. I tried every AI with context, with documentation. I watched videos. It still didn't work. I guess it's just skill issue at this point, and I don't know how to do that using D1. But I think let's just use Postgres. I rethink everything, and I just want to use a VPS with Postgres and everything in in Docploy, using Docploy and in VPS because uh I want to use Coolify, but from what I read in the documentation, Coolify requires more CPU and RAM and the storage. But since I want to run this on the cheapest Hetzner shared, which is like 4 to 5 euros, I think I'm gonna need to use the Docploy because Docploy's requirement is not it doesn't require that much RAM and CPU and the storage. So I changed the structure and everything and just like, yeah, I guess let's just use Postgres and deploy it on VPS. I mean, I know this took 2 weeks to plan and just do the front end, trying to do the back end, and it didn't work. But I guess it is what it is. Um, I think I'm just gonna revert everything. Thank goodness I didn't revert any of the backend stuff yet. So uh, I can still revert back. I think I'm just gonna use VS Code for now. I think I'm too stressed and too confused if I still want to continue to use NeoVim. I think I'm gonna use NeoVim again when I feel much more comfortable with it. But I think right now I'm just gonna go back and forth just so that it could be easier. Okay. Okay, the CPU is at 20%. All the fans are running and yeah. Okay. So I've already read a few docs, I've watched a few videos, a few tutorial. I want to set, I think at first I really want to set up the database as well as the auth. So I think for today, the goal is to use Postgres. Use Postgres and connect it at least. Yes, my God, this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Hono backend doesn't work. You know, and I'm just gonna use the Next.js API routes or server action and server action. Sorry. So, oh, what is this? Oh, that's cool. Okay, sorry. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I want to do right now. I think I want to install Postgres first. It's either I use the Postgres in Ubuntu or sorry, or maybe I can try to use the Postgres that is already on my Windows and connect through the WSL with it. So it's either that or trying to install it in the WSL. But I think I'm gonna try to use it in WSL trying to uh yeah. Maybe we can. Okay, I really like this article by Sabrina Pereira. Pereira, sorry, Pereira. It's 2 years ago. So judging by the step, it's not supposed to be that complicated. But I think I'd like to see if uh, Grok with deep search could find something similar or even refer to that same article. Okay. WSL Ubuntu 34 and connect them in Next.js with result one. Please always answer step by step for the commands for files, and for files, please add the appropriate path. Not using the src and only the app folder in my project. I don't know. The thing is, I think we can refer everything back here because apparently we're not gonna use any of this. So this is gonna sound a bit painful. So I think I'm gonna turn off desktop audio so it won't be loud for anybody who's watching. Yeah. So let's see if the chat is working in there. And I guess it's not yet. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, let's just discard all changes. Is there any one that I want to keep? Um, you know what? Let's just discard everything. Yeah, it's fine. Discard all 27 files. Oh, thank goodness we didn't do any of that. Okay, so first, I think this should go back. Uh, oh shit! I think I forgot some. Oh fuck. Okay, wait. That's not good. Oh shit. Wait. Did I forget to? Oh my god, this is so stupid. Wait. Did I forget to keep that? That's not good. Oh shit. I forgot. Okay. Oh fuck. I did not meant to do that. Oh shit. I think I just, oh my god, I just deleted everything. Okay, fuck. That's not what I meant. God damn it. I should have, fuck. Wait. Oh shit. I think I forgot. Oh my god, this is so stupid. I think I'm just gonna have to restart everything from scratch, I guess. Oh my god, I deleted the page that I already done. Ah, so stupid. God damn it, why did I do that? Ah, it's gone now. Oh, it's gone now. God damn it. Oh wait, is it still? Oh, okay. It's still here. What? What did I delete then? So, see, I just flashed it. Okay, we're not using the NV anymore anyway, so let's just delete them. So I guess I could delete all the unnecessary files. That's not necessary. Oh god, sorry. I panicked. No. Thank goodness I saved it. Oh, okay. Okay. That's not good. I almost had a heart attack. Guess what? Oh god. Okay, that means this still okay. All the UI still works. I just god damn it, that's so terrible. Okay. All the UI still works, so it's fine. Okay. Oh god, I almost. Okay, this is also the marquee are still working as well. So yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, sorry. Let's just start with the Postgres, I guess. Research suggests following official guides for Postgres. To get shares, you need to install Postgres on your WSL Ubuntu and then configure your project using Drizzle. Yes. connecting Next.js, running and testing. Survey node, detailed guide for blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, okay, I want to cross-check this with some of the data in the blogs. So I think it should be the same, right? Yes. Install the Postgres common package. So is the Postgres common setup PostgreSQL app repository for the latest. Create a schema. And I think I could just query the resources from there. Sudo, okay, I need to create a user. Okay, yeah, that's quite similar. So that's fine. And then from there, we can create a database. Okay. Okay, but yeah, I think I need to make the role here. Grok didn't really quite add that. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to find some no copyright music, but because I keep getting copyrighted for some reason. So I don't know why. It didn't work. I hope that's not too loud or too small, but yes. Okay, let's start that. I apologize if this website flashbangs anyone. Okay, never mind. Okay, I guess we should start with the... Okay. With the install of Postgres.
We have here a fresh copy of Next.js version 15.2.1. And first thing we're going to do is to go to the better off documentation. And from here we are going to get started and then installation. So first thing we need to do is to add our better off dependency. So that is the first thing. I'm going to my terminal and
Okay, why is it not doing it? Okay. Okay. And then what we need to do is sudo apt install Postgres, PostgreSQL contrib. Why does Grok suggest that we have the... What's up with the dash y? W, okay, I don't know why. What's the repository script? Install procedures at W server. Okay. So we're connected to desired table. You can create the doctor's table. Blah 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 blah. Okay, I think this is quite new, right? So I think we can try to do that. The Postgres directory serves as a mount. Build disk. Okay, set up the Postgres configuration. Starts the service. Okay, this is getting a bit too complex. I just want it to be as simple and as fast as possible. So I guess let's choose this one. I only have 34 gigabytes left on my computer, so wish me luck.
Inside of my project, I'm pasting the pnpm add better auth. Now this one is going to be installed quickly, and next thing that we need is our environment variable. So we need our better auth secret, and we can generate it here right in their documentation. So I'm clicking generate secret, and I got my env key. So I'm going to the code, and I'm going to create a new file called .env, and right there I'm going to paste in my better auth secret. And next thing that we need is the base URL, so I'm going to copy paste that one also inside the env file. So here it's localhost 3000, of course. On production that would be the name of your domain. And now when we have our environments set up, we can go to the next thing, and that's creating a better auth instance. So we can create it wherever we like. It can be in root directory, it can be in lib folder, utils folder. I like to put it in the lib folder. So I'm going to create here a new directory called lib, and inside I'm going to create auth.ts. And inside of that file, we need to import better auth from our new dependency that we just.
Okay, let's first try to connect the database, okay? And make sure that it works. Okay, so that should be finished. Now it's It's 16.9. Okay, that's cool. Set a password. Needs a password assigned in order to connect to a database. Enter the command sudo swd postgres. Okay. You can access PSQL directly using you should see Postgres. Okay, to change database, just use okay. Cool. Okay, you can also use SU Postgres to go into the Postgres user. Here you use the password you set up above. Your prompt should change to okay. SU dash Postgres. Okay, it doesn't really change to that, but okay. Is it just SU dash Postgres maybe? What's the difference between the equals and the dash? I guess that's it. Okay, maybe we can control C. What if we do help? With SQL command, copyright. Okay, use create Postgres user with the same name as your root username. Using that, okay, let's do -q. Hello, Lucky Crate and Soundriff. Are we really in the same city? Very busy today. Very busy indeed. Sorry, Mr. Soundriff offer a lot of jobs. He said, yes, Bochum. Oh, it's very close. Wait, no, actually, I know it's from LinkedIn. The LinkedIn is wrong. I am close to, I cannot change it for some reason. I am very close to Bochum, but not in Bochum, but very close to that. I want to try to change it, but it didn't work for some reason. But it's very close to Bochum, yes. I want to change it, but oh, cool. Yeah, so on LinkedIn, I tried to change the different location to the correct city, but to the correct place. But for some reason, I couldn't pinpoint it to the right one, and I don't know why. Yeah, of course. Kannst du gut Deutsch? Ein bisschen. Ein bisschen. Nice. Ja, heute ist das Wetter bewölkt. Wir haben gestern regnant? Yes. I have been applying since I think since last year, and no, not since last year, since the start of the year, and still only got rejection so far. So it is really hard. I guess because one, I'm only bachelor, and two, I'm an Auslander. My German is not that good, and it's yeah, I guess it's just tough. But yeah, it's I think for me it's yeah, it's very hard. Even when I try to apply, well, I actually haven't applied for the job back home in Indonesia, but yeah, it's not just fun title, to be honest. I've already applied to almost 100. It's not that much. I am gonna need to apply more, definitely. Oh, you're in Hamburg. Cool. Can you make the frequency of the mic clearer and louder? Is it not that loud, or is it? Am I not speaking loud enough? What's the difference between the equals and the dash? Wait, maybe the music is a bit loud. Sorry. Let's try to decrease that. Um, I guess he's struggling. Oh, okay, okay. Is the music too loud or no? I hope the music is not too loud. Okay, thank you. For which did you apply? I applied for a lot, to be honest. I applied for IT, general IT. I applied for some front end role, some UI UX. Most of it is work student or and practicum and internship, because I feel like because I don't think I would get accepted if it's like full time directly. So a lot of it is just work student and practicum. But yeah, I even applied for some video editing and content creation as well, because I also know that. So I know it's a bit too broad, but even in the engineering side and the programming and IT stuff, it's I don't know. I guess it's just quite difficult. Scroll to the bottom of the files. Now change where it says here to trust like so. I know. Yep. But I guess I just need to keep applying and mein Deutsch verbessern. I think yeah, I'd like to. Maybe I should apply to data science, but I don't really have a lot of projects with data science, even though I use Python a lot. Thank you. Lucky crit. Lerne Deutsch, ja. Es ist sehr, sehr wichtig. Don't fight, guys. Please don't fight. But thank you. Thank you, Lucky Crit. Wie ist dein Masterstudium? Uh, I think life in Germany has been so I think it's been around 14 months. I think no, 15. I think 15 months that I'm here, and it's a bit up and down. I really like. Oh yeah, congratulations. How's in business analytics? Can you talk in Hindi? No, I cannot. But yeah, I think living in Germany so far have been interesting, more likely. A lot of good, a lot of bad. Deutsche Bahn, the breads are amazing. The breads and pastries are amazing. I always bought them almost every week. Um, the food, could be. I think the food is interesting as well. But I think the most fascinating part that I enjoy is surprisingly the public transportation, because I know. Hear me out. Hear me out. As much as I hate that it's always late, what I really enjoy is that the student ticket, you know, the Deutschland ticket. I've tried German food before, and some of it are good, some of it are okay. I haven't tried a lot of beers though, only a few. So that one I haven't tried, but I really enjoy the public transportation in the sense that the reach of the public transportation. Uh, Deutschland ticket is great, but the Deutsche Bahn is horrible. Yes, like I really like that. I don't really need to buy tickets for bus or tram. I just use the student ticket, yeah, the Deutschland ticket. So I think that's really cool. I think it would be very, very worth it, depending on which city you want to go. And you don't need visa, by the way, with the German passport. So I think definitely. I think if you go to Indonesia, you should you should try to visit other different islands besides Bali. Of course, I think you should go to Bali, yes, but I think you should try to visit other islands as well. An underrated one would be Sumatra. Bro. Yeah, I guess you should go to Indonesia. Even I still haven't explored to a lot of islands, but if you got the chance, this has always been my bucket list. I want to go if you I would really want to go here as well. It's Sumba. Sumba is in the West Nusa Tenggara. It is more, I forgot, is it more east or more east to Bali? It's like close to Bali, but it's on the eastern side. It's oh, I have always wanted to go here. So I think I would recommend to go here because yeah, I always want even as an Indonesian myself, I haven't go there, but I want to go to Sumba. I'm from Indonesia, and I think you asked butter chicken. I've never tried the real one. I'd love to, but I don't know uh which like Indian restaurant is good around here. But yes, I think that's Sumba, and I think for the one that enjoys surfing, you should go to Mentawai Island in Sumatra. It's also very, very beautiful. But yeah, I hope you could visit Indonesia someday. Shabra restaurant, is it around here? Hello, Mystical Hansa. Hello, hello. Sorry, I haven't checked my my phone doesn't have any battery, and I've no, I haven't visited India before. Do you have a place recommendation if I one day go to India? Like, where should I go? I'm from Indonesia. No worries. Thank you so much. Hopefully, you can go visit Indonesia. No, I mean like I am, of course. Uh, no, I mean like I am studying here. Good luck with the walk. Okay. Let's see. That doesn't work, is it? I am trying to run Postgres in here, so that's at least what I'm trying to do. Sorry, I got distracted again. So, Postgres is a SQL database. So, yesterday I couldn't really do it with Cloudflare D1. So I was thinking to myself, I think I'm just gonna make this. So yeah, I guess creating database. Hello, Shady. What's up? Um, I'd love to use Python. Maybe later we can try to make some Django project that I really want to try to do. Maybe. Um, but I guess for now, let's just do this. Maybe after this project is finished, I think I want to try to uh use Django, I think. But yeah. I think we can do create DB. Works PSQL dash test, I guess. To access it, just enter PSQL onward dash PSQL dash test. Does that work? How do I know if okay, let's go back to Grok. Let's see if they to document my learning. Especially Django. I think maybe we could try some Django. Ho ho ho. Cool. Okay. So how can we is it dash ls? Okay. There are job opportunities. Go there. Why you took? Yeah. I mean, like I've been applying a lot. So in the meantime, while waiting for either another rejection or getting accepted, why not just stream and use this opportunity to share my learning? And I don't know. I guess it's like to show, like for me, like an online portfolio to so to speak, to I don't know, maybe show recruiter or show people that I am willing to learn and I am willing to put myself out here, embarrassing myself, sharing my mistakes every step of the way, from designing, coding, debugging, using AI, and everything else in between. So yeah, I guess that's what I want to do. Without a job. Grüß Gott, Herr Nick. Wie geht es Ihnen? It's called public learning. Oh shit. Okay, I haven't started the okay, maybe we should start the keep the hard work up. Thank you, Mr. Elias. Gut, und dir? Ich denke, ich brauche mehr Schlafenszeit. Sleeping time? Is that a real thing? Schlafenszeit, ja. Ich brauche mehr. Nein. Rest. Rest ist Erholung. Ja, ich brauche mehr Erholung. Ich denke, Erholung ist die richtige Antwort. Okay. Ja, ich brauche mehr Erholung. Ja. Is it a command? Oh, sorry, it's this one. Okay. Which Python data value used for integers? Like, Python is not strictly type language, so is it using like a typecasting in Python? Is it that one? Is it typecasting? is it what you guys meant by the type in Python? Because from what I know, like you won't need to type the type in Python, but I think if you use tools like I've read about it, it's Pydantic. Like I've read it in Fast API, so it uses it. Yeah, we don't define types in Python. Maybe for being extra type safety, using Pydantic, if I'm not mistaken. Like adding types to Python. That should be interesting. Yeah, like Pydantic. I read about it in like Fast API when I was trying to read about Fast API, and then it's like, yeah, I think from my understanding, Pydantic is like what TypeScript is to JavaScript, like adding types. Maybe it's not the exact same, but is it? Maybe. Hello, hello. Welcome, Mr. Joseph. Oh shit, okay. Guys, are you okay? Okay. Guys, it's just Python here. Hello, hello. It's such an interesting day today. Hope everyone have a fantastic day. If you work on API skill, you provide the user's password permission. You may need to adjust the Postgres authentication in settings. How do I even go there? You're using Postgres? Is my okay? So yesterday, for the past few days, I was trying to use Cloudflare's D1 SQLite. I have tried multiple ways and it just doesn't work. I guess because I'm stuck at it. I don't know. Maybe I configure something wrong, which I don't understand. So I want to try to just use Postgres, I guess. And so I'm trying to configure it in WSL. So yeah, trying to use Postgres because I've used Postgres before and it's, I wouldn't say easier, but it's just that I guess I'm more familiar with it. I'm not the best at it, but yeah. But yeah. The I don't know why does it show twice and what is the difference between the first and the last list of database list of, why does it show twice? Okay, I guess the database is not created successfully, so I guess we can just quit. Exit. Queue. Okay. So I guess we can try to create how to list users. Can I see the list of users? Experimenting and learning. I'm a Windows, yeah. I mean, I just want to learn using Linux more, I guess. Maybe in the future I would transition full Linux, but as of right now, it's this. But yeah, I kind of been enjoying using WSL with Tmux and NeoVim and sort of things like, yeah, all those things, but still, still not entirely sure. If that's correct or not. Hello, Francois. I'm trying to connect the Next.js project to Postgres because I couldn't connect it to. Can I exit here? Okay, I can. Okay. I couldn't connect it using Cloudflare D1. Okay. JWC does not exist. Ah, so okay, yeah. Wipe the Windows drive and get Arch. Right now I'm using i3 Tmux and VM I can never look back. Yeah, I mean, I'm still using Windows because Adobe, I know it sucks, but yeah. But I'm definitely going into the Penguin land soon, I guess. Wipe the Windows and get Arch. Maybe if I build a PC after I get a job, I will definitely use Linux. Okay, I guess what we need to do is first create a sudo user. No, not a sudo user, like I forgot. Soon, yeah. It's I'm still in the middle. I'm still using Windows, but with WSL, it's been I don't know. It's fun, I guess. It's much more simple and just yeah. I'm starting to hate Windows very very much. Everything is so slow. Okay, I have two users with that correct. Okay, how do I? Okay, look for your name. Alternatively, okay. So trying to create because on Windows I use the pgadmin where you use a GUI to create the database, and so I kind of want to learn the CLI command, I guess. Okay, I already have my role because I do not want to use the Postgres super user. How could I log in to the Postgres using the D role? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's already inside the Postgres. I think I just need to create the database. Like if I use this, oh wait, oh shit, that's not what I meant. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. Have another. That's not Postgres. How do I enter the Postgres with that username? Sounds about right. Okay. Ah, okay. So we can do exit again because I already know that it works. Like this. Oh, I guess I haven't turned on the Postgres service. Let's check it. If I'm not mistaken, you need the sudo, I think this one, sudo systemctl Postgres SQL. Nice. And then sudo systemctl enable Postgres SQL. I think it should work. Okay, I'm gonna try to restart the terminal, see if that works. Let's do psql-ud. Okay, no, it's not working. Okay, why? Maybe I haven't configured this command. What is this command again? Ah, okay. It already exists. So how do I? Do I need to log in as the Postgres user before I can create it? How do I? Um. Oh shit. Okay, wait. It's not. Is it in Etsy? Okay. PostgreSQL 6 16. Okay, that means we can go to CD 16, and then it's supposed to be main, and then we should open the this one. Can we open it in the OVM? Oh, I cannot open it in the OVM. Oh, I guess because it's installed in the other user. Okay. How could I open the? Okay, I think sudo vi pg conf. Okay, I have no idea why it doesn't have this. Ah, okay. Okay. Let's try to clear and then go back to C. Let's go to exit and then SQL dash U D dash D convert as DB. Oh my god, thank you. Streamer himself talking in English. Sorry. It slipped, it slipped. Sorry. Okay. So that means the database already connected, right? Sorry, the database already exists, right? And I just need to shot. What? How do I see the table. Let's see. Because I think it should be empty. Mm. Hello, hello. Thank you. Yes, you now connected with your D user to the new database. Thank you. Okay, it works now. There we go. Okay, yeah, it works. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, now that means the database exists, right? Hello, hello. It's getting very lively today. Okay. Now that the database is created, I should be able to connect it to them, right? Ah, shot South African for you're welcome. So let's see what's I forgot. Let's do what's thank you. Hello Andrew, how are you? Um I haven't applied for any work today, but maybe later in the afternoon I will apply for more. Yo, Discord. Yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's up? It's like it's not formal though. It's like a slang. Okay, we have 11 people here. Amazing. So, Mr. Gorilla Human, Pixie here, would like to invite everyone that wants to join a Discord channel for everyone to learn and hang out and learn coding called Coders Heaven. I will put the link in the description of this stream after I'm done, or you could check the invite link in some of the previous uh stream. So yeah, if you guys wanna join a Discord channel where people learn to code and talk and hang out, join Coder 7. The links are on the stream, by the way. So okay. Okay, that's done. Now let's connect this.
Installed, the better off, and key. So I'm going to the code and I'm going to and then installation. So first thing we need to do is to add our better off dependency. So that is the first thing.
Muahmelele. What is that? Let's try to translate it. Let's fly. Fly where? Sorry. Okay, so I want to use better auth.
Going to my terminal, and inside of my project, I'm pasting the pnpm add better off. Now this one is going to be installed quickly, and next thing that we need is our environment variable. So we need our better off secret, and we can generate it here right in their documentation. So I'm clicking generate secret, and I got my env key. So I'm going to the code, and I'm going to create a new file called .env, and right there I'm going to paste in my better off secret. And next thing that we need is the base URL, so I'm going to copy paste that one also inside the env file. So here it's localhost 3000, of course, in production that would be the name of the domain. And now when we have our environment set up, we can go to the next thing, and that's creating a better auth instance. So we can create it wherever we like. It can be in root directory, it can be in lib folder, utils folder. I like to put it in the lib folder. So I'm going to here a new directory called lib, and inside I'm going to create auth.ts.
Did you study electrical engineering? Yes. Yes, I do. This is my final year. Because I was yeah, I was reading through Reddit a lot, and a lot of people suggest to use BetterAuth because they say it's very simple, very good. And I think I saw the news that they I don't know, they I forgot, they got not acquired, but they are now backed by YC Combinator. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but oh, you're in the first year. How was it so far? Welcome to the jungle, I guess. Has calculus? Yes. Calculus, algebra, and algebra and calc. I almost failed my calculus course, by the way. On my first or second year, I forgot. It was like the lecturer mostly uses quiz as the score, as the yeah, to for like passing grade and everything. So yeah, I almost failed that, and I actually did a few. If you know, so okay, let's go here. I actually did. I actually did some electronics work for my course and some like final project stuff. So if you check the channel and go to like the videos, I actually made a few things for embedded system course as well as some. Yeah, it's mostly embedded system course using Arduino and ESP. So yeah, if you want to check it out, yeah, but it's super basic. It's not that impressive if I think about it. So this one, uh, for embedded system, and then I did good luck, man, with calculus. One of the best calculus. Okay, so the reason that I am making this project is basically to kind of put all the resources, all the videos, all the website, all the books, all the repos or everything that have helped me in electrical engineering, and I want to put them in one website. That's basically this project that I really want to make. Oh, cool. I actually, yeah, I haven't used it in a while for like the past, I think the last semester, I use Raspberry Pi a lot. So that was that. But yeah, basically this website that I'm making, it's a directory of the things that all the websites, all the books, all the courses or something that have helped me with electrical engineering. That's basically the main motivation of this project. But yeah. So yeah, hopefully after I'm done with this, I don't know how long till I actually deploy this. But yeah, that's basically it. I also tried to use ESPs and Arduino and ESPs and other stuff. So yeah, it's actually the very first video. Most of this channel is just me documenting my projects. It's not really physical building, it's more electronics. Oh god, I even do one with OpenGL. This is also for an autonomous vehicle system course. So yeah, this is very interesting. Yeah, Notebook LM is very, very good. It helped me a lot in when I was writing my thesis. You need more confidence. That I will always need, my friend. You need to talk freely, of course. Thank you. Which one? Kidnapping. It looks like it. Oh, in one of the video? Of course. Well, yeah, okay. You guys can have my secret key. Ugh, God damn it. Okay, I'll generate a new secret key. Is someone kidnapping you and making you do this? No, no. I hope not. Could be. Yeah, the secret key. I'm gonna generate a new secret key, so okay, wait. I'm gonna open it here and generate the secret key in the other screen. So I probably leaked some API keys anyways already in some of the previous stream or like some code. So it's fine. We need that, and then I think we need the base URL. Okay, done. Let's go. So after that, I think we need to make a lib folder. Oh, already exists? Oh shit, okay. You're gonna show us your order to get through? Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's much better. I think yeah, that's true. Yeah, but I guess for now it's just gonna be env.local, I think. Both also for exam preparation. Okay, let's do an intermediate for Shady's question. So I guess yeah, Shatsian. Yeah, I forgot. The lib is created by Shatsian. So yeah, I kind of forgot about that. So we need auth.ts. So I'm gonna be using Drizzle and okay. I'm gonna need to create that DB instance first, I guess. You should totally okay. I personally I kind of like it because the SQL like the queries and everything, so it's kind of just like very similar to SQL. Sorry. Wait. Yeah. Let's answer Shady's question first. I think one of the best way to study is, to be honest. Ooh, okay. To be honest, the thing is, I failed. I failed. Uh, I failed three cores. I failed 3 cores, and I need to extend an extra semester. My grades are fucked. So please take the advice with a grain of salt. Okay, so basically, the best way for me to study was so one, ask seniors if they have past exams or assignments. This is a very important step because you need to be very well. It's not that I am very good with my senior. It's just that a lot of my seniors kept their old exam, kept their old assignments, and they put it in a and they stored it somewhere so that whenever we the junior ask regarding materials for learning, they would direct us into this past exams and assignments. Why? Because studying the whole material, like the whole material won't be in exam every single time, right? So I think if you have this past exams or assignment, it would narrow down the things that you have to learn. So that's one of the things that helped me a lot, is that I know which materials would be in the exam. Not exactly, but you could figure out maybe a few things that is, or you can find a pattern on which type of questions would be on the exams or assignments. Or even if your professor still uses the same exams or assignments. Because in the end, you do want to pass. Well, I mean, it depends if you just want to pass or if you really want to understand the material. I guess if you really want to understand the material, you can learn it. But for me, on some materials that I don't really enjoy or like, I just want to pass. So this is how I would do it. In terms of learning, I went. Second is that I went to the library almost every day before exam. Log in and just do the work, because there's nothing else you can do, to be honest. You can't, I mean, if you can cheat or everything, just do that. But if you really want to focus, you just gotta practice. You need to practice. So from this past exam or assignment, I would practice it. Sorry, I would practice. And if I would practice, if my answer is wrong, I would use the senior's correct answer. That's how I would do it, actually. Yeah, so I guess this is one of the main thing. Like, ask your seniors that have graduated. Try to do this. Like, do they have an old papers or exams or assignments? Doing a full-time next year job, it's my second extra semester, gonna kill me. One of the reason that I didn't pass was also because I was doing some side jobs. So I guess you just gotta focus and not divert your focus too much, because engineering, especially electrical engineering, is very, very hard. Pretty much quit web dev though. At my current workplace, we write automated tests with Python, and I hate Python. You gotta pay for studies. True. Are you guys suggesting Golang? Because I think a few streams ago, someone suggested Golang. So I think in the future, we will try to use Golang. Okay. Rust is the future. What is the difference between Node Postgres and Postgres.js? Use what works best for scenario, of course. I guess I just need to. I want to focus on this one first. It's already driving me insane. Use RPG native to boost Node Postgres. What is the difference between Postgres.js? Node Postgres, okay. So I think this should be in the drizzle.ts, this one, right? Do I need to do that? No, right? Okay. Do you follow the Prime Time Agent? I do watch a lot of Prime Agent. I do. I always enjoy him screaming and bouncing on the ball. Do I just need to do this with the connection? I would assume this is okay. Understandable. Coming from JS background, it's obvious. I don't think I have installed .env, but we're going to need this. Do we have? Drizzle ORM Drizzle kit is in the dev, right? Yes. Okay. I used it to revive histories of customer files and restore them to specific state in history. Cool. Your username, password, localhost. Okay, that should work. Thoughts on Rust? Would this still work if I use local Postgres? Okay, let's just try it. Let's see if that's the same. I would set up a local. I mean, like for the config, would it be the same? Like I think it should be the same, right? The Drizzle config. Or not, okay. Uh, I would set up locally, not exactly. He was the reason I switched to Linux and knew of him. One of the reason I tried it was also because one of his videos. But yeah, my company. Damn. but use .env files and vars to configure the different environment. Okay. Would it be something like this? Like the path is also .env. Config and then schema is dot slash. Where do I put the schema? Okay, I haven't made the schema. Okay, we want to generate the schema. Okay, wait. Out is your code example you can take is like, yeah, it's fine, right? Like this, it's just that I don't have the source. PostgreSQL and then DB credentials. Thank you, Joseph. Good luck, good luck. Thank you. And this is what you will change for different environments. Yes, okay. I already set up the database URL in the .env. I don't think I'm gonna show it. Well, you know what? I guess it's fine because I'm testing it. But yeah, you know what? It's fine because I'm still testing it anyways. So yeah, I already put it here. So yeah, that's probably I shouldn't probably do that. Okay. Oh my god, hello. Yeah, I shouldn't probably show that. Fuck. Okay, never mind. Sorry. I mean, it is local, but probably shouldn't show it, but okay, it's fine. Don't shoot production secret. Of course, if it's production, it's not. I guess right now it's only for testing. Yeah, don't show production. Of course, I won't show it. It's because right now it's only for local testing. Okay, so we're gonna generate it, but move it into a different. Move it into a different. To yeah. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. And maybe the most important rule: don't use local secrets in production. Have a completely separate. Okay. So once when I want to deploy it, I should generate a different generate a different code, right? Schema was generated. Okay, of course. I guess right now it's only for testing here locally and see if it works or not. Because then if I later, I guess I already decided I want to learn how to set up my own VPS and everything. So I guess this will be deployed in a VPS. So I guess later, once I want to deploy it, I should use a different secret env, right? All the links and secrets should be different, I would assume. Okay, I guess what we need to do is go here, go into schema, and I feel like Vim coding is more useful for backend. For work often requires, yeah. To be honest, yes, I still use, yeah, true. So you can just never keep your hands on the keyboard. True. Do we want to make a migration? Or I could just push directly? Which one is more preferable or more recommended? Mm, okay, let's try it again. Let's just try to push it directly, I guess. Okay, make migration. Sorry. Okay, that works. Now we can, I guess, if we look at the migration file, we would be able to see that there are some migrations. This is the SQL. Cool. Now let's do, sorry, that's generating the migration, and I think run the migration. Okay, what is wrong here? Basically, migration creates scripts that will execute the changes, so all your environments will always be exactly the same. Thank you, man. Have a great rest, or yeah. Hopefully, good luck with the engineering. So I guess it's always better to migration execute the change, so all your environment will be exactly the same. Yeah. Okay. Can I put the migration in Git, or should I put it in Git ignore? Or I think I don't mind migration. Okay, I think I set up something wrong. Maybe it's the what is wrong here? Add it to Git. Okay, so I don't need to put it to Git ignore. I just okay. What is okay, create PG driver for database querying? Create schema if not exists. Have I installed? Let's see if I put something wrong in the. Oh, it's Mawang. Everyone always remembers Mawang. Mm. So Postgres slash less username. Do we have at localhost 5432 slash db name? Huh. Okay. Do I need something else? Node Postgres result pool const pool equals new pool connection string equals process env database. Okay. I'm using the node Postgres. I've already installed the. Let's see if I forgot to install something. There's a types PG already installed. There's a kit also. Admin the PG is already installed as well. Or maybe this one? It's much more correct. Wait. Drizzle. I think it's on a host. How do I know if the Postgres is running? That's maybe it's not running. Huh, okay. That's the quick and dirty answer. Okay. Vert slash that's STP. Okay, I'll try that. Okay. Database schema public. Thank you. I'll try that one. Uh, I think it's yeah, I think the database URL is wrong that I put. For the Postgres user, should I just use the Postgres user or I'm gonna try that one. 1 second. Okay, I tried that. I'm gonna try to use the preferred user. Okay. This is good. I'm gonna try to run it again. The migration script. Sorry. I have no idea what is this. Syscall get info. Hello, hello. Welcome. I'm going to try to use the Postgres. and see if that changes it. Okay, it's still wrong. I do not know. Okay. That's odd, right? Okay, let's see what's wrong with the config. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix what is wrong with the config. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Why is it not working? Is it because I didn't save it here? This is the connection. Maybe the good morning for Atlanta, Georgia. What time is it there? It's in the database that you need to fiddle. Code is correct. Okay. Is it because the access privileges is not here, or 6 a.m. Good morning, J McDaddy. Welcome to this attempt at an experiment. Open the database again. Okay. Here we go. Is it this one? Like it's not running? Is it because it's not running? Wait. I'm just getting into coding, looking for a career jump, and I'm just starting out as well, trying to document my learning. Run/dn. Okay. What are you looking to code, Mr. Jamie Cuddy? Mr. Francois? I am not entirely sure. Why is it not working? Thank you for the help. I really don't know. Why is it not working? So you have the public schema and Drizzle is trying to use the Drizzle schema? Hmm. And Drizzle is trying scroll to top of your schema.ts file. It is already PG Core. The schema is the one generated by the Better Auth for I have no idea what I want to code. I'm going to learn as much as I can so I can make an educated choice. Any projects or idea that you want to try? Okay, so what's the wrong one here? Why I couldn't connect it? Yeah, why is it not generating even though it's already okay. I have no idea what's wrong. Yeah, I have schema equals public. I already put it in the env. I'm gonna try it again. Maybe this time it will work. I tried to change the config. Maybe it changes something.
methods npx drizzle kit push and
Okay, I think I'm gonna show the database URL. I think it's fine, but I did exactly the one that you said with. I tried both with the D username and with the Postgres username. With the schema equals public, without the schema to public, it doesn't work. Any of it didn't work. Okay, no, it's fine. I already input the correct password. Why is it wrong? It's for my user. I already use my user and the Postgres. It still didn't work. The password is for my user. I already tried to use the user, but it's still not working. So why is that not working? Okay, I changed it to my username again for my username. And it's still not working. I already changed it using my username and the real password. I don't know why. How do I use the connection string? How do I connect the string in the terminal? Yeah, you know what? I give up. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I don't know why. I thought using Postgres would be easier. It turns out it's not. Uh, okay. To restart Postgres. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish right now. I don't know why it's not working. I guess I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. But yeah, I guess thank you very much for all the help, and it's still not working, I guess, but I'll try again tomorrow. Again, thank you so much for all the help. I'm still not sure why it's not working, but yeah, I think I'm gonna finish right now. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow to another coding every day. It's your port. Yeah, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna try again tomorrow. It's fine. Thank you for the help. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.